All right, so as you can tell, we pulled out our dish and we're just gonna go ahead and lightly put some butter over the top. And you want it to be like a golden color, of course. I baked it for about 20 minutes. So it's still sizzling pretty good. We're gonna just let this butter just melt. And it looks pretty good. So, okay, so cook time alone was about 2 hours, 15 minutes. Total prep time 30. And let's go ahead and put it on a dish. All right, so here's our final piece. And as you can see, we have the potatoes, carrots, meat, and our cornbread. So, popping in, we'll do this another time.